ready? Front one goes first. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so back row, you really got to pay attention. When 4 is over, you step right away on 5. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, most important thing is on 5, 6, you leave your arms up there. Okay, so when you put an arm up, leave it up there. Don't bring it back down. 5, 6. You can't bring it back down until 7, 8. Or in your guys' case, 3, 4, right? Okay, let's do our scuff hop steps and our shuffles and add that part on. Ready? Hands on your hips. 5, 6, ready,